HTC One A9 LCD and touchscreen replacement guide. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need Nylon Spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver, playing cards, power down your HTC One A9 smartphone. Eject the nano SIM card tray and then the micro SD card tray. Begin to free the HTC One A9 display assembly by using the heat gun to warm up the adhesive. With the precision knife, carefully create separation and insert a playing card to start slicing through the adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. When attacking the adhesive, be mindful of the capacitive home button and fingerprint sensor. The HTC One A9 screen is still connected to the motherboard. Do not try to remove it completely, or you will damage the data cable connecting the display to the middle of the phone. Remove the following two Phillips screws, securing the bracket to the motherboard. Remove the HTC One A9 display cable bracket. Use the spudger to disconnect the display cable and remove the HTC One A9 display assembly. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.